Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih Urakam Sangma Ulang Balada Kesorkar Kementerian Kampura Yakan National Education Policy NEP Hajar Arpo Kidon Katu Kani Kibenta Kibanhab Ban Penyahab Bat Yadai Bat Kemiklaya. Kesorkar jela kadang perkhat ban penkrek biang bat wanra jengkelah Kemiklaya State Education Policy. Ulang rubah Kemiklaya Education Policy kabla penkrek biang kin don kilenong kiban penlek jingmut habede bat ke kolshor Kemiklaya. Kinong yang kun light load ke history bat ki pajba. Hakawai kaliang Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ulang baka sorkar keladap thok syaka National Testing Agency NTA na kebentaban bu syusuk ya ki jika thok eksamen kiwet hapok kejelah hadin baki babun ki hun seng kilapan sengaw ya kemat halor ke jingi kenduk jing jong ki samla pule namar ke jing duna ki jika thok eksamen ha kabede bat ke kiwet.
Meghalaya chapter has to be come in because all what happened that contains in the NEP 2020. So I think as a state government, it may be beyond our ability to implement every points that have been incorporated in the NEP 2020. Yes, for CUT examination, we have already met known to the NTA to give us more center. I think if I'm not wrong, we have got still the exemption for 23-24 last year, right? So we have still got exempted. But however, our students have gone in appearing for CUT exam this year.
Menteri